माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू केमिस्ट्री क्लास। आज हम लोग मोल कॉन्सेप्ट स्टडी करेंगे। मोल इज़ नॉट समथिंग दैट इज़ प्रेजेंट ऑन योर नेक और योर ब्रदर्स नेक. It is neither a kind of furry animal that is roaming around your house. No, it is not mole. It is laughing. So what is mole? Let me explain mole in details. It is a counting unit that contains 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 particles. This number is known as Avogadro number. Avogadro number is denoted by capital N और उसको सबस्क्रिप्ट में A लिखते हैं. A stand for Avogadro, N stand for number. So Avogadro number is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 particles. In many books, it has been written like Na is equal to, Na means Avogadro number means 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Both the numerical values are correct. So anyone can be taken in numerical problems. There are a number of ways for determining the number of moles. Actually कोई भी substance का जो एटॉमिक मास होता है, if it is written in gram, वो 1 मोल का मास होता है. If we consider the atomic mass of sodium, that is 23 gram, so the 1 mole of sodium atom whose weight is equal to 23 gram. Similarly, if we consider carbon dioxide molecule whose molecular weight is 44 gram, and 44 gram of carbon dioxide contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of CO2. So it is quite easy to understand the mole in case of atom, in case of molecule. So 1 mole is equal to gram atomic mass, 1 mole is equal to gram molar mass. In case of atom, it is equal to gram atomic mass. In case of molecule, it is equal to gram molar mass. So the gram atomic mass of sodium is 23 gram and it's a mass of 1 mole sodium atoms. And gram molar mass of CO2 is 44 gram. So 1 mole of CO2 weighs 44 gram. I hope you have understood gram atomic mass and gram molar mass and mole. One thing, the volume occupied by 1 mole of gas at STP is known as molar volume. It is equal to 22.4 liters, which is equal to 22,400 ml. As you know, 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. Therefore, 22.4 liters is equal to 22,400 ml. This is molar volume. So, volume of any gas like H2, helium, like CO2, any gas is equal to 22.4 liters at STP. So here is STP. What is STP? STP stands for standard temperature and pressure. Standard temperature is 0 degree Celsius is equal to 273 Kelvin and standard pressure is 1 atm. So under this condition, if the volume is of 1 mole of substance is determined, it is equal to 22.4 liters. Dear students, we can determine number of moles if atomic, in case of atom, in case of molecule, if numbers are given, if weight is given, or mass is given. So we can solve several types of numerical problem over it. I will discuss numerical questions in a separate class, but now we shall study how number of moles can be determined. The first method is number of moles of atom is equal to weight in gram by atomic mass. Second method is number of moles of molecules is equal to weight in gram divided by molar mass. And third one is the number of moles of gas. So कोई भी गैस का number of moles निकालना हो तो given volume by molar volume. Molar volume is 22.4 liters, that you know. So if volume is given, it is divided by 22.4 liters, we can get the number of moles of that substance or that gas. Similarly, the fourth formula is number of moles of atom, molecules, ions or any other entities. If we want to determine, then it is equal to given number divided by Avogadro number. Here one thing is important. If number is given, it is divided by Avogadro number. If mass is given, it is divided by atomic mass. In case of atom, it is divided by atomic mass. In case of molecule, it is divided by molar mass. So while solving numerical problem, we use a different formula. If volume is given, if volume in liter is given, then the given volume is divided by 22.4 liters to get the exact number of moles. Number of moles of solute can also be determined if volume and molarity are given. So how? Molarity is equal to number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. So number of moles of solute is equal to molarity into volume of solution in liter. नंबर ऑफ मोल्स अगर सॉल्यूट का निकालना हो तो मोलरिटी ये क्वेश्चन में दिए होंगे इन मोल्स पर लीटर इनटू वॉल्यूम इन लीटर. If number of millimoles can be determined, then the molarity into volume in ml is multiplied. So these are the basic formulae for solving simple numerical problems. We will discuss different kinds of numerical problem of different books like the R.C. Mukherjee, N.N. Sinha and many more. I hope you have understood the concept of mole, molar volume and the formulae for solving numerical problem based on number of moles. That's all today. All the best. God bless you. Be safe. Be happy.